Welcome back. As you can see, the chicken wire structure that I talked about in one of the other videos. What I want to remind you about today is to make sure that you've got your sizing right. This particular design that I'm starting to throw together to get an idea of where I want to do placements needs to be 60 centimetres, and already I know that the sides are over, and the beauty of the chicken wire is that I can adjust that, but I'm very close to the edges with the Gymea stalks. I didn't want to cut them in the end because I like them that length. It's a useful length for me for all sorts of things. So I'm going to have to move around. Because I've got the 60 centimetre square, I can work on the diagonal and get a little bit more depth and a little bit more leeway that way. So I'm going to play around with it. But the thing that you've got to have in your work bag, in your handbag, wherever it is a tape measure, so that you know and you can check and you can adjust. Because the worst thing about doing all of this work is to be down pointed or to be disqualified, so not according to schedule if you are out of size. So check your sizing before you walk away from the competition area, and make sure that you're comfortably within the size that's allocated to you.